Hey you guys, I'm sorry I've taken forever to post my video. I swear I've known what I wanted to do forever, or at least like weeks before my video was due, and I thought I was going to be on time, and then things just kept happening and it didn't work out that way. But what I wanted to do was play a song for you that I've been practicing on the piano. I've been playing the piano again, and so I wanted to share a song and kept wanting to have like the perfect moment where like the kids weren't running around and hey, sorry. And Jerry could be here to help with them, and it just never works out. So tonight I was just like, I'm just going to flip on the recorder on my camera and make it happen. So that's what you see. Yeah, and my camera cut out the last 30 seconds, so you don't even get the end of the song. Sorry about that. It was actually like a perfect ending, and I never play it perfectly at the end because I'm usually going too fast and the notes get jumbled. So I actually played it perfect this time. I was super excited about it, and then realized my camera had like cut off 30 seconds so before it was over. Anyway, but the reason I wanted to share this particular song was I have a couple fun stories about it growing up. Okay, so you know my sister Lindsay was blind, and she loved this song. She would ask me to play it for her all the time because she said it reminded her of colors, and she would imagine that she was this little girl running through a forest, and she would come to a meadow, and then she would find this amazing waterfall, and she would just try and envision what those things looked like, you know. So that's always a sweet memory for me. And then one time there was a member of the 70 that came to visit our area, and he hey, what are you? Okay, sorry, I thought I was eating something. Member of the 70 comes, yeah. He wants to visit with Lindsay and give her a blessing. And while he's there visiting, hold on. Hey, look at this. Look. While he's there visiting, my mom is like, hey, Sarah can play Waterfall. Would you like to hear that? It's such a beautiful song. Blah, blah, blah. And of course he's like, yes, I'd love to. And I was mortified because I hate playing in front of people. And I was, you know, like really didn't even really know it that well yet. And anyway, it was terrible. It was a really shaky performance. And I was really mad at her for that for a while. And then the next day was a like tri-state conference. And he's conducting the program, and he just calls me up from the pulpit, like out of the blue, to bear my testimony. And I was pretty mortified about that too, and of course totally blamed my mom because she's the one who'd put me on the spot. And if I hadn't played Waterfall for him, he wouldn't have asked me to bear my testimony, which probably isn't true at all, but I totally blamed her for that. So anyway, I just always remember those things whenever I play it, which is kind of fun. And I hope you guys enjoy it. It's entertaining to watch, at least, if nothing else. So I love you guys, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. Bye.